Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that markets have been roiled by unexpectedly tame decisions from Mario Draghi and the ECB. Equity markets are falling, as are bond prices. Early this morning, the ECB announced that it held all its rates unchanged except for its deposit rate. Banks will now be charged 0.3% for deposits they place with the central bank. This action was the minimum expected by markets and is essentially more of the same. And those markets were disappointed. It was nowhere near dovish enough for their taste. The euro rose sharply. At the same time, Janet Yellen was testifying before Congress, and she gave a very upbeat assessment of where the US economy is at present. Overnight data showed American services sector activity expanding faster in November, especially on the jobs front, and the level of jobless claims came in at the expected low level, well below the 300,000 mark that worries markets. Later, a rival services sector had the sector expanding at a slower rate. Around the world, passenger air travel is growing strongly, 7.5% up overall year on year, boosted by an average 5% fall in the cost of fares. Domestic travel is up, and more importantly for us, international traffic is growing strongly too, especially in the Asia region. But going against these trends, Australia is seeing a reduction in domestic air travel. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark has raced higher to 2.27%, which is quite a jump from yesterday. We will probably see a similar adjustment in our long-term swaps in local markets today. The US benchmark oil price is up $1 at $41 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is at $44 a barrel. The gold price is also up slightly at $1,058 an ounce. New Zealand dollar has slipped back a bit due to the sharp jump in the euro. It is currently at 66.4 US cents and 90.7 Aussie cents and 60.8 euro cents, a fall of 2 cents. The TWI starts the day at 71.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.